Xiaomi 12 Review. The best Android phone 2022. Now without the Mi branding, the Xiaomi 12 series has been given a global launch and the regular model is now smaller and more aligned with Samsung's Galaxy S range than before. Can Xiaomi win the flagship Android race, though? Like the Galaxy S22, the Xiaomi 12 offers a much more compact option, leaving the 12 Pro for those that want something bigger and with more impressive specs. Starting at $749, the Xiaomi 12 has a lot going for it, including its display, performance, speedy charging and, to an extent, its photography skills. However, some big downsides such as battery life, lack of waterproofing and software peeves mean a rival might be a better choice. Design and build. 8.16mm thick. 180G. No IP rating. The Xiaomi 12 is tiny. Well, by modern standards anyway, and especially when I've become accustomed to the hefty size of the Pixel 6. Even so, it's like jumping into a time machine to 2017 and the release of the Galaxy S8. These two phones have a lot in common, and I'm not just talking about the footprint of the handset, although they are very similar. The Xiaomi 12 has a similar metal frame that tapers down to a thin strip on the sides to accommodate the curved display. Screen and speakers. 6.28 inches AMOLED. Full HD+. 120 Hz with adaptive sync. A 6.28 inches screen is quite small for 2022, and although it's not much smaller than the Pixel SIX's 6.4 inches display, the phone is hugely smaller and easier to handle. As mentioned earlier, the S22's display is even smaller at 6.1 inches, so the Xiaomi 12 is not unique. Specs and performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Up to 12 GB RAM. Up to 256 GB storage. The Xiaomi 12 comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is Qualcomm's latest flagship chipset. This is something the phone has in common with the 12 Pro, while the cheaper 12X has a Snapdragon 870. There are 3 SKUs to choose from, combining 8 or 12 GB of RAM along with 128 or 256 GB of storage, which isn't expandable. Cameras. 50MP main camera. 13MP ultrawide. 5MP telemacro. 32MP selfie camera. Last year's Mi 11 came with a 108MP main camera, but the firm has dropped to 50MP this year, with the Xiaomi 12 getting an IMX766, Sony's popular sensor. This is your main camera, but there's a 13MP ultrawide and 5MP telemacro on the back as well. Battery and charging. 4,500 mAh. 67W wired charging. 50W wireless charging. Considering its compact size, the Xiaomi 12 has a reasonably sized battery at 4,500 mAh. What's interesting here is that despite the 12 Pro being significantly bigger, it only has an additional 100 mAh, so you're not really missing out much on capacity. Software and updates. Android 12. MIUI 13. I don't have a huge amount to say on the software side that we haven't said in various recent Xiaomi phone reviews. That is to say that you get Android 12, which is the latest version, but paired with Xiaomi's MIUI, which is still not our favorite skin. It's certainly a lot better than it used to be and is perfectly usable after you get to know it. Price and availability. Xiaomi is gradually rolling out information on price and availability, but for now, we know that the Xiaomi 12 starts at $749/$749 and is available to pre-order from retailers including the Xiaomi Store, Amazon and Keys ahead of an April 15th release in the UK. This will get you the entry-level 8/128GB model, but there are 2 more available. 8/128GB. 8/256GB. 12/256GB, not available in the UK. We've updated the best Xiaomi 12 deals with more specifics, but it's clear that the Xiaomi 12 takes aim at the $769/$799 Galaxy S22 and the $779/$799 iPhone 13. There are cheaper alternatives though, such as the $599/$599 Google Pixel 6 and plenty of even cheaper mid-range phones that can get you pretty close to the experience of the Xiaomi 12. Xiaomi 12 Specs: Android 12 with MIUI 13. 6.28 inches FHD plus AMOLED 120Hz curved display, 20:9, 480Hz touch sampling, HDR10+, Dolby Vision. In-display fingerprint sensor. Gorilla Glass Victus. 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. 8/12GB RAM LPDDR5. 128GB per 256GB UFS 3.1 non-expandable storage. 50MP f/1.88 main camera with OIS. 13MP f/2.4 ultrawide camera. 5MP telemacro camera with autofocus. 32MP f/2.54 front-facing camera. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. Dual SIM. 5G. Wi-Fi 6/6E, market dependent. Bluetooth 5.2. USB-C port. 4,500 mAh battery. 67W fast charging. 50W wireless charging. 10W reverse wireless charging. 152.7 by 69.9 by 8.16 mm. 180G. Launch colors: gray, purple, blue,